Here's a 2017 Honda HR-V. Is it an SUV, hatchback, or compact? Yes, and it's in a category all its own. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth hands-free link, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Honda Link selective service internet access, and Honda Link. Automobile points out the HR-V is responsive and agile, which makes it ideal for darting around town and scooting into tight parking spots. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.